कृष्णाय कृष्ण भक्त तद्भक्ताय
पता नहीं कहीं और बुलाया
जामि राधां अरविंद
स्मरामि राधां मधुरस्मितस्य वदामि राधां करुणाभराद्रां
ततो ममान्नास्ते गतिर्न कापि सर्वतः मेरे गुरुपाद पद्मो
Sir, first of all,
प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद
I pay my blessing my Guru Padman, Nitya Leela.
एवं नित्य लीला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर शतनाम भक्ति वेदांत
It's okay.
श्री नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज के अभय चरण कमलों में अनंत कोटि साष्टांग दंडवत ज्ञापन करता हूँ। तत्पश्चात नित्य लीला
Then after Nitya Leela Pravishta, Home Vishnupada, Ashtotra Sata, Srimati Bhakti Vedanta, Swami Maharaj, and all the sannyasis present here, and all the mothers and Vaishnavas and Vishwani, and
मेरा यथायुत दंडवत प्रणाम स्वीकार
please accept my Dandavat Pranam. We are,
ब्रजमंडल 84 क्रोश परिक्रमा करते करते
we have been performing Vrindavan Parikrama. We are present here now in Raval.
राधा जी की
This is the place of Radharani's, this is the appearance of Radharani's place.
विभिन्न कल्पों में
In many different kalp, in
श्रीमती राधा जी के
in this kalp,
विभिन्न कल्पों में विभिन्न
in Vibhina Kalpa, Radharani's
जैसे हम लोग
appearance
बरसाना में जाते हैं
here in Raval. Like when we go to Barsan, there is a Vrishabhanu Kund, there is Vrishabhanu Kund also appeared there. We listen to the Vrishabhanu's appearance of Radhika in Vrishabhanu Kund.
अग्नि से प्रकट
And in some kalp, Radhika is appeared from fire. In other kalpas, Radharani has appeared from
श्रीमती राधिका अंडे से
from egg.
कल्प वेद जैसे हरि कथा वृषभानु महाराज किसी कल्प में
Vrishabhanu Maharaj,
आदि करने लगे
he was doing tapasya
अवस्था में संतुष्ट होकर के
after
स्वयं
Lord
ब्रह्मा जी
Lord Brahmaji was
एक अंडा दिया स्वर्ण अंडा दिया
was very
एक अंडा दिया
happy with his austerities, so he gave a golden egg to her.
वृषभानु महाराज
And Vrishabhanu Maharaj,
प्राप्त करके जब अपने गृह में पधारे
and he took this golden egg.
देखते
He was looking at this egg, and he took this golden egg to his house, Vrishabhanu's house. And then slowly Radharani appeared from that egg, and he put Radharani on a chest, and then after gave her to the mother, to his wife, Kirti Devi.
अष्टाविंशति चतुर
This katha is going on in Chaturyug. In this kalpa,
गोकुल में जन्म
Krishna appeared in Gokul.
इस कल्प में
In this kalpa,
राधिका
Srimati Radhika
यही जमुना में
appeared
और सुंदर
in
सैकड़ों कमल फूलों के
on the lotus flower
परिवेष्टित होकर के वहाँ
in Yamuna river.
इस कथा प्रसंग इस प्रकार वर्णन होते हैं देखो राधा हृदय ब्रह्मांड पुराण में ये कथा
Even in Brahmand Purana, it's
आप लोग जानते हैं
described this katha.
प्रजेति चलेति गम
Prajati means chalati. Prajati means it's always moving.
एक स्थान से दूसरे स्थान से सदा सर्वदा जो है वो चलमान होते रहते हैं
It's always moving
ब्रजवासी लोग
from one place to one place. And the Vrajvasis,
इनकम
the source of income is
करके
Gocharan. They are
गोवत्सादि चारण
cow herd.
दूध घी
Their cow in herd.
द्वारा वे लोग
Their livelihood is dependent on the milk and the ghee.
स्थानों पर रहते थे जैसे
They-
वर्णन होता है नंद
So they used to
महाराज जहाँ
stay in
पर
this
रहते थे,
place. Wherever Nanda Maharaj used to stay,
गाँव में
in nearby village, also Vrishabhanu Maharaj used to reside there.
अत्यंत
Because there is a very close relationship, very close friendship relationship between Nanda Maharaj and the Vrishabhanu Maharaj.
परम मित्र विश्व
And Nanda Maharaj,
कहाँ रहने लगे
when
हैं?
Barsan, when Nanda Maharaj was living in Gokul, then Vrishabhanu Maharaj in Barsana. And when, Nanda Maharaj stayed in Gokul, Vrishabhanu Maharaj lived near Raval,
ना जहाँ जहाँ पर
in Raval.
खत्म हो जाता
So wherever the grass finishes,
करके उस स्थान
and they take the cows, go to the other pastures where the grass is greener. So in the Shastras,
पशुरादि उत्पादन
it says,
पशुरादि उत्पाद
whenever
करने के फलस्वरूप नंद महाराज
for the demons, when
नंदगांव के छोड़ करके
If because of the demons, he left Nandagaon and came to Gokul, and he was staying there. And then Vrishabhanu left Barsana and came and stayed here near by the Yamuna river in Raval.
ये रावल ऐसे सुंदर मनोरम स्थान था।
Raval is very beautiful place.
सुंदर प्राकृतिक सौंदर्य काव्यिक भाषा के द्वारा वर्णन किया गया।
It's
जो लोग रस शास्त्र आलोचना करते हैं,
who read the Ras Shastras,
वो लोग अनुभव कर सकते
they
हैं।
can realize it's not for others.
यहाँ पर विश्वानु महाराज
Here Vrishabhanu Maharaj started to stay here.
ये स्थान बहुत सुंदर मनोरम था।
It's a very beautiful place.
यहाँ पर प्रारंभ करते हैं। आप लोग सुना अभी
Yes.
हम लोग कहाँ से आए?
Gokul, we just come back. We just come back from Nanda Gokul. When Nanda Maharaj,
सब बहुत
we had a very grand festival
रसिक आचार्य
of the appearance of Krishna, his son Krishna.
जन श्रीधर
Our Rasan,
वर्षा करने लगे।
our Sridhar Maharaj
हो गया।
was
महाराज इतने दान करने लगे नंद
so everybody had Anand in their heart. Lal ki.
बोले हाथी दिलो घोड़ा दिलो आठ दिलो बोले ऐसे दान देने लगे।
So Nanda Gau was so much giving out in charity. He was just so generous and giving out in charity. And just then Shivji came with his Parvati and his son.
दान करने लगे।
So Nanda Baba was giving so much in donation. So Shivji came in his Nandi, his bull, and so he thought, "Arey, Nanda Baba will also give this my bull in charity." So he got hold of the rope, that was tied to the bull, to make sure that Nanda Maharaj doesn't give his so.
हाथीशाला जो होता है ना, बोले सारे हाथी को दान करने लगे।
So Nanda Baba, Devi Parvati was so saying that, "Oh wow, Hathi jaise." Like Nanda Devi Parvati, this Nanda Baba is so generous. He's also donating elephants, and my son Ganesh is like an elephant, and hopefully she got hold of the baby so tightly, his son Ganesh so tightly, so that Nanda Baba doesn't even donate his baby. It looks like elephant in donation. Bhagwan's too.
अच्छा सांग भगवान जब
Bhagwan,
प्रकट होते हैं,
wherever the Bhagwan appears,
उनकी शक्ति
when Bhagwan appears, then also the Shakti, his Shakti, Radharani would also appear.
जहाँ पर शक्ति
Wherever there is Shakti, with Shaktiman, they definitely Shakti will appear.
विचार करने
So like that, Narad Muni is thinking that who is the Shakti of Krishna, Shaktiman of Krishna is Radharani. So he said Radharani has to definitely be appeared in nearby here as well. So Nanda Baba was wandering around and he came to Raval. And in the morning, it was early morning, he went to have a bath in Yamuna.
श्रीमती राधिका
Vrishabhanu Maharaj went to have a bath in Yamuna.
इतने सुंदर करके सुसज्जित करके रखा है। शास्त्र में वर्णन होते जा रहे हैं।
In the Shastras, it says that Yamuna was so beautiful.
यमुना के जल इतने सुंदर नीलाभ
The water was so crystal clear, like blue color. If you put a coin through it, you can see it through. So she was so clear. The Yamuna river was so clear. All the bank, both sides of the bank also was very nice. All the trees that nearby were in Yamuna, they were also so decorated. It's like as if they were also decorated like the bride and the groom who is going to get married. So all the trees were also decorated with fruit and flowers. So all the flowers the fruits, there were so many fruits on the trees that made the trees bow down because of the weight of the fruit. So like that, they were also waiting, they were bowing down. Acharya Paths are saying
प्रकटित हो
when Radharani appears
सेवा के लिए
for his seva,
प्रकट हो जाना
also
कोई विचित्र बात नहीं है।
it's not something very strange
और देखो चारों
when
तरफ
all
आकाश
the
कैसे सुंदर निर्मल हो गया
all the
और चारों
parikas
तरफ
also appear
उजाला हो
to
गया
serve her.
है।
All the trees, it was Brahma Murti, and everything was so illuminated. And Vrishabhanu came at the Yamuna river,
धारण करके आए
And he
और
came-
यमुना में अनेक
and
प्रकार जलचर पक्षी
all the birds,
आदि अनेक
all the birds in the,
कलरव आदि करे
all the birds started to sing,
और देखो मयूर आदि
and the mayurs, the peacocks started to dance,
है, चारों तरफ मुखरित करे
and they were dancing, and the koyals was singing so beautiful.
लाखों करोड़ है, कोयल आज आ करके आज कितने सुंदर मानव गान कर रहे हैं
Today-
हमारे आचार्य जो बात वर्णन करते हैं
Our Acharya Paths are saying,
संत महात्मा अत्यंत
Same.
सुंदर स्वर से गायन आदि करते हैं
like when a Sant Maharaj is singing,
राजा के अभिवादन करते हैं
or when they are welcoming Radha, the citizens of the kingdom are welcoming Radha. So similarly, all these birds are singing so beautifully to welcome Radhika.
महाराज
Then Vrishabhanu Maharaj, he had a bath. He in Yamuna, he dipped one, and then he dipped the second time,
के द्वारा प्रस्फुटित
and the third time, and he saw his beautiful lotus flower, and on the lotus flower was a beautiful baby.
सुंदर था तब
The fragrance that was emanating,
सारी दिशा
and the light, the illumination, it was so illuminated around her, and she had beautiful long eyes,
लाल वाले बाल
and she had curly hairs. She had beautiful curly hairs.
वर्णन करना कोई कवित्व के लिए भी संभव कवि के लिए भी संभव नहीं है
It's not
सुंदर
that
रूप और साक्षात रूप में वह बालिका सुंदर जो है अपने
she was so
पैर
beautiful,
उठा के हाथ में
and she was
एक
sucking
हाथ
her thumb.
से पदार्थ क्या बोलते हैं परार विंदे पदार विंद
The-
बुखार विंदे भिन्न विषय है इस प्रकार जैसे शास्त्र में वर्णन है
In Shastra is described
राधिका
that Srimati Radhika,
अंगुली के क्या बोले अंगूठा के जो है
Anguta, like her, she was sucking her thumb.
खिलाड़ी मारे इतने सुंदर रूप जिसके क्या वर्णन करना जाए
How can you even describe such a beautiful रूप? The Vrishabhanu Maharaj,
रोमांचित होने लगे
his body started to romance.
किसी प्रकार जो है
He had so much,
धारण करके और जमुना के बीच में जा करके
and he went to
अपने बख
Yamuna, middle of Yamuna, and he picked up Radhika.
इसी मानो लीला को स्मरण करके
If you
लिखते जा
listen-
रहे हैं विश्वभानु
Vish-
नमस्ते से लेके
Rupa Goswami is writing,
तात्पर्य विश्वभानु महाराज के हृदय कैसे हैं
uh,
समुद्र के भांति
if you notice Vrishabhanu's Maharaj's heart is like an ocean, and Chandra is like a new moon, and Radhika is like a new moon.
हृदय समुद्र से प्रकट
The-
हो रहे हैं। इस प्रकार विश्वभानु महाराज
Vrishabhanu Maharaj,
बालिका को लेकर के
she carried Radhika.
समस्त जगत को कीर्ति देने वाला
Kirti
में उद्देश्य सर्व-
Kirti means
सर्वश्रेष्ठ क्या है
Kirti means
कृष्ण भक्त बलिदार ख्याति
Bhakta,
वास्तव जो है विश्वभानु
and she gave it to Kirti Devi, his wife Kirti Devi.
राधिका प्रवेश सार भाव भावेर सार महाभाव और महाभाव स्वरूपिणी
Adharani.
इस प्रकार राधारानी
In
के
this
तत्व
prakar,
वर्णन करते हैं हमारे आचार्य बात
Our acharyas are describing in Chaitanya Charitamrita. Krishna Das Kaviraj has also described all these pastimes in Chaitanya Charitamrita. Then Vrishabhanu
गृह में
brought her as her own daughter.
मानवदेशी गृह में आ गए
And
जय हो
Jai ho, and,
विश्वभानु महाराज
in early morning, Narad Muni appeared.
संत महात्मा ऐसे जय जयकार करते हुए प्रकट हैं, वहीं पर पधारे
And then the
और
Sant
विश्वभानु
Mahatma
महाराज
came
के दर्शन
to Vrishabhanu
करके,
Maharaj
और उस समय
and had Vrishabhanu had darshan of Naradji.
पुत्र संतान आपके जन्म
And Naradji asked Vrishabhanu, hey, have you
विचार करने लगे
have you got a
लाडली तो है
have you got daughter? Have you got a daughter?
आजकल संत महात्मा क्या पता है
You don't know what sadhu is. You cannot know who is Sant Mahatma. It's very difficult to find out who is a real sadhu.
इसलिए विश्वभानु महाराज
That's why Vrishabhanu Maharaj said, yes, we have got one son,
क्या की विश्वभानु महाराज
One
अपने
son.
पुत्र
Siddham. And Vrishabhanu brought Siddham to Narad Muni to have his darshan. But then Narad Muni said, no, have you got a daughter?
सरल है
Vrishabhanu Maharaj is very simple-hearted and he doesn't like to he's not a hypocrite. So he started to say,
दर्शन हो गया तो विचार करना चाहिए आपके सब सिद्धि होगी।
okay, so if you have a Sant Mahatma's darshan in the morning, Sadhu's darshan in the morning, Sant Mahatma's darshan, that means you will have an auspicious day. And Sadhu means kripa. If because of the kripa of the Sadhu, maybe my Malika's eyes would open.
और उनके देख करके नारद ऋषि मानवन विचार करने लगे
And Narad Muni
कि
started to say,
क्या कर दूं?
Sasti Vachan, I'll do Sasti Vachan of your daughter.
महाराज बहुत प्रसन्न हुए, कहने लगे जाओ
And the Vishwanu
जा
Maharaj,
करके सस्ती वाचन के सारे सामग्री
Lao.
एकत्रित करके
Yes, so go and collect all the ingredients for Sasti Vachan.
अत्यंत उल्लसित हो करके विश्वानु महाराज अंतर्गृह
And Vrishabandhu Maharaj went inside the house to collect all the ingredients, chawal, rice, haldi, kumkum,
सस्ती वाचन
all the necessary ingredients you need for Sasti Vachan. He was gathering that at that time, and he left the Choti Balika there in the court.
अष्ट सख्या ललिता विशाखा सुदेवी रंग देवी इंदु लेखा और
So, Lalita, all the Asta Shakis, Indulekha, Lalita,
और देखते देखते श्रीमती राधिका जी
Vishaka.
और अपने सखी के बाद
And what happened? And the Radhika appeared as a 14-year-old with all the Sakhis surrounding her. So Naradji had this darshan. So Naradji had a darshan of first Balika or Radha, a small baby Radha, and now he had the darshan of a 14-year-old Radhika with all the Sakhis around her.
अपने स्तव स्तुति कर लो
So Lalita said, "Oh, quickly do your stutis because we haven't got much time." So, and the Radharani, and then Narad Muni started to do the stuti. Vilasini Rajendra Manu Nandini Brajendra Suna Sankate Kada Karishasi Yamam Kripa Kataksha Bhajanam
कीर्तन किया जाता है एक तो आप लोग तक एक ही ट्यून से गा रहे
We always do the same tune. This tune.
चावल दाल और
So chawal,
अरे थोड़ा
every day chawal, dal, sabji. We do that.
अच्छा चलो बोले वृंदावन बिहारी बहुत सुंदर स्तव स्तुति आदि करने लगे इतने समय विश्वानु महाराज
Vrishabhanu, Vrishabhanu collected all the ingredients and came back in the room. And then Lalita, Vishaka, they all disappeared.
छोटी बालिका
And again Radha became a small baby. And just like how she was sucking the thumb, and she came in that form. And Narad Rishi started to think,
मैं कैसे इसको आशीर्वाद दूं?
how can I even Ashirvad to this Radhika? She is the Shakti. So Sadhu, Kripa karna. Sadhu want to do Kripa.
अनुसार
So,
बोले जाओ
okay,
आशीर्वाद दिख
okay. So Naradji gave Sasti Vachan and then left.
बिना बजाते हुए
And he left.
चले गए बोलो
And
नारद मुनि
Bachaye Veena Radhika Raman. And
मुनि उदित है कीर्तन करते हैं
Abba Bhakti Vinod Thakur is singing.
थोड़ी सी दो एक सेकंड
Narad Muni. I'll only take one more second.
अच्छा इधर
Here,
महाराज को
Vrishbhanu.
क्यों
Vishwanu Maharaj was a little bit sad because Radhika's eyes were closed. And in some kalpas, Radhika comes, she opens her eyes. Appeared, but when she appeared, her eyes are open. But in some kalpa, when she appeared, her eyes are closed.
हम लोग
So in the Golok Vrindavan, Krishna is telling Radhika that let's go to Bhoma Vrindavan.
यमुना देवी नहीं है
I don't want to. Radhika said, I don't want to go because there is no Yamuna, there is no Giriraj, there is no Gopis, there is no. Then Krishna said, Hey Radha,
द्वारा सब में
by the arrangement of Yogmaya, everything will appear there.
यमुना देवी
Even the Yamuna Devi and the Gopi guys
राधा जी तब
will all appear there. And then Radharani said, okay, I'll come.
पहले जो है
But on the
इसके पश्चात मैं
but you promised me
नित्य गोलोक वृंदावन
then
धाम से
when I come from the Nitya Gologram and come into Bhoma Ram, that I appear with my eyes closed.
दर्शन दोगे
And then when you give me the darshan, first you give me the darshan, then I will open my eyes. So that's why she appeared with her eyes closed. And Rishabhanu Maharaj is saying, she looks so beautiful, but her eyes are closed.
और देखो इधर नंद महाराज
And the Nanda Maharaj
और जसोदा देवी विचार
and
करते
Jashoda
रहे,
Devi started to say,
और
I was your son.
हमारे मित्र की भी एक पुत्री हुई
And our mitra, our friend, so Nand Baba and Jashoda are saying that our friend Rishabhanu has also got a baby, so let's go and have darshan. So Nand Baba and Jashoda with the Gopal, with Krishna, baby Krishna, came here in Raval.
राधिका के बारे में चर्चा आदि करने लगे
So they started to Nand Nand Baba and Rishabhanu and Kirti Devi, and they started to discuss, and they forgot about the baby Krishna. So what did the Krishna do? He went in where the baby was, Radhika was sleeping, and he said, Radhe!
देखो
May Ayahu. That means the 3 times he said, Radha, Radha, I am here. Krishna is saying, I am here. So Radhika had
इसके श्लोकों की यही अंतर्निहित अर्थ है आंखों की फल क्या है
what is the darshan karna? What is the purpose of the eyes? To have darshan of Radha Krishna. If we use the eyes to have TV darshan, then that's
इसके पश्चात राधा जी मानव बालिका के भांति मानव के छोटा बालिका के भांति
and Radha Rani opened her eyes and she started to cry. When the Rishabhanu heard the Radhika cry, and Kirtita Devi, they quickly came to that room where Radhaji was sleeping. And they said, oh, our Balika is opened, her eyes. Her eyes is open.
उस समय विश्वभानु महाराज नंद महाराज और जसोदा देवी के भारी अत्यंत जो प्रशंसा करने लगे देखो आप जैसे संत
So they started to praise Nand Baba and Jashoda Ma and said, because you've come, that's why my Balika's eyes have opened.
इस प्रकार ये लीला दी हुई
This is the Leela that happened here. And then after the Vrishabhanu Maharaj, and
क्या किया
and then he also did a great grand festival. Vrishabhanu did also a grand festival here for the appearance of Radharani.
पुनः जो है उत्सव और दान दक्षिणा देना चाहिए हम लोग दान दक्षिणा देकर
So everybody should give me donation.
बैठिए
And then time. Rani ki jai. Radha Nache Krishna.